The famous pillars of creation, where new stars are forming beneath dense clouds of gas and dust, have been imaged by NASA's James Webb Space Telescope as a rich, extremely realistic environment. Although they are far more porous, the three-dimensional pillars resemble beautiful rock formations. The chilly interstellar gas and dust that make up these columns may seem semi-transparent in near-infrared light. By identifying much more accurate counts of newly formed stars, as well as the quantities of gas and dust in the region, Webb's new view of the pillars of creation, which NASA's Hubble Space Telescope first made famous when it imaged them in 1995, will aid researchers in revising their models of star formation. They will gradually get a better grasp of how stars evolve in these dusty clouds over millions of years. This photo was taken by Webb's near-infrared camera, or NIRCam for short. It features a newly created stars as the main attraction. These are the brilliant red orbs that are usually outside one of the dusty pillars and contain diffraction spikes. Within the pillars of gas and dust, knots that have amassed sufficient mass start to collapse under their own gravitational pull, slowly heat up, and finally give birth to new stars. Have you considered those wavy lines at the rims of certain pillars that resemble lava? These are star-forming stellar ejections from the surrounding gas and dust. Periodically, young stars emit supersonic jets that slam into dense pillar-like clouds of matter. In some cases, this also leads to bow shocks, which can create wavy patterns like what a boat makes when it travels across water. The vibrant hydrogen molecules produced by jets and shocks are what give off the color. The NIRCam picture almost pulses with their activity, as seen in the second and third pillars from the top. The age of these newborn stars is only thought to be a few 100,000 years. There aren't any galaxies in this image, despite the impression that Webb was able to punch through the clouds using near-infrared light to expose vast cosmic distances beyond the pillars. Instead, our perspective of the deeper cosmos is obscured by the interstellar medium, a mixture of transparent gas and dust in the densest region of the disk of our Milky Way galaxy. Hubble initially captured this view in 1995 and returned to it in 2014. Meanwhile, other observatories have also given this area their undivided attention. Each cutting-edge equipment provides researchers with fresh information about this area, which is virtually bursting at the seams with stars. The expansive Eagle Nebula, about 6,500 light-years away, is seen in this closely cropped photograph.